Hi, welcome to the TMC Newsroom. I'm Galitzine. With me today is David Sharpley. David is the Senior Vice President of Marketing and Product Management at Bridgewater Systems. David, welcome.
Hi, thanks very much.
So maybe you can tell our viewers a little bit about who is Bridgewater Systems and sort of your role in the ecosystem.
Sure. Bridgewater is a mobile personalization company. We focus in on managing the personal services for mobile subscribers worldwide in terms of the profile and the services they're allowed to leverage and utilize on a mobile network. We've got over 100 customers worldwide. We're completely network agnostic, and a lot of our service provider customers leverage Bridgewater in terms of how they deliver new services to market and effectively manage their network and operations.
Okay, so you mentioned 100 customers. I heard that you've announced 2 more today. Is that correct?
Yes. Well, actually, 2 announcements today in terms of what we're announced here at CTIA. The first one is IUCEL in Mexico. They've gone live with us. They were originally on the 2G side and have recently gone live and surpassed 1 million customers on the 3G side. Okay. And again, they're leveraging our subscriber data broker as well as our service controller to manage and authenticate all the users on their data services plans. And then the second customer that we announced just today actually was Cricket Communications here in the U.S.
Right.
And Cricket is a very innovative operator, targeting a particular market segment and growing phenomenally. And what they've implemented is our recently launched widespan system, which is an integrated certified transaction processing capability to really help scale and help them enable optimal performance through the use of Bridgewater.
Okay, so the operators are able to generate revenue, I guess, by deploying your services. How does it manifest itself on the end user side? What types of things do the end users see?
Sure. So for example, if I take Cricket as an example, they have a variety of different value-added services, whether it be ringback tones, music, and video, and so forth, and all those are managed and authenticated and processed through Bridgewater.
Okay. Does Bridgewater offer a service development environment or a service creation environment, or do you work with partners for that type of thing?
It's inherent actually in the product. One of the core competencies, built from the ground up through 12 years of development, is the fact that we've got a very robust, scalable and flexible tool to go and allow operators to change services both to all customers or to a particular set of customers basically on the fly, so they can rapidly create and launch new services. So for example, we could quickly go in and change your service plan, add new service features to it, and without actually having to take the system down or going through any type of development process.
Okay. So there's been a lot of buzz at CTIA from a lot of different angles,
right.
Applications, 4th generation wireless, these types of things.
Right.
What sort of trends are you seeing in the market that would affect your business?
Right. Well, there's probably a couple I would highlight. The first is just given the phenomenal growth in mobile data traffic, we've kind of coined the term the mobile data tsunami, effectively where even though subscribers are growing and more data plans are being procured through the operators, the reality is the network growth is double-digit % a month, right? And that's driving is a lot of demand for our policy control products that we launched at Mobile World Congress, which really helps operators effectively manage and provide fair usage to all subscribers. So you can help eliminate bandwidth congestion as well as bandwidth hogs in the network, right, and ensure everyone's getting a positive customer experience. Okay. The second trend I think we continue to see on the floor here at CTIA is just the ongoing development on 4G technologies, whether that be LTE and similarly on the WiMAX front. Clearwire is here, as you can see, and they're one of our strong customers. So just the whole movement to 4G, and we're uniquely enabled because we can allow for that seamless transition between 3G and 4G through the use of the Bridgewater portfolio.
Okay. Now, Bridgewater is one of the Terry Matthews portfolio, in the Terry Matthews portfolio of companies. How does that, what are some of the benefits that you derive from that?
Right. Terry Matthews is absolutely, and his holding company are part of the ownership structure in Bridgewater. They own, I think it's around 7 or 8% of the firm. Terry is a very active and board member for Bridgewater. He's actually the chairman of Bridgewater Systems, okay, and we get to leverage his guidance, his relationships, and his entrepreneurial attitude across the entire company. So we're fortunate to have him as part of Bridgewater.
Excellent. Well, David, thank you very much for spending time with us today. It's been a pleasure speaking with you.
All right, great. Thank you very much.
Take care.